Eskaro Group AB. Perfect quality, high standards of environmental safety and production efficiency are associated with this name in the European market of paints and varnishes. 2013. Of this year, an international group of companies producing paints and varnishes, Eskaro Group AB Sweden, opens the most powerful and modern factory not only among the enterprises of the holding company, but the entire paint industry of Ukraine. For the moment, the best technologies and equipment available in this industry are introduced in the production. Along with Eskaro Group AB, also Swedish funds Swedfond and the Nordic Environment Finance Corporation (NEFCO) were acting as the investors of the entity construction. Delivery of the equipment and its installation was implemented by the French division of ABB of the world-famous ABB company. The investments for the launch of the first production stage were €8 million. The factory covers an area of nearly 2.5 acres. Production capacity of factory is 30,000 tons per year under single-shift work. Today, Eskaro Ukraine is own manufacturing of the products under the brands of Aura, Titan, Aquastop, as well as the import of products under the Eskaro brand name from the group factories EU countries. Wide distribution network offers thousands of places across the country where you can find their products by Eskaro company. In order to appreciate the high technological level of the production, let's go through all the key stages of preparation and production process. Look at the office and warehouse spaces, laboratories and, of course, the very workshop. In terms of process automation, the company is leading not only within Eskaro Group AB, but also throughout the paints and varnishes industry of Ukraine. Suffice to say that all the manufacturing processes are operated only by 5 experts to ensure high quality and manufacture the products meeting the environmental standards. The company uses a number of key moments. Among them, high-quality raw materials, use of treated water and eco-friendly water dispersions, process automation, quality control at all stages of production. Control Center. Production Control Center is the eyes and the brain of the whole production. All the information is concentrated here and control over all stages of production is implemented here. All processes are automated and computerized. Every production area is seen in real time on the monitor screen. The operator controls the process of manufacturing and packaging of products and, if necessary, makes adjustments. PaintCell is the technological process control program by means of which the operator implements control. Let's go through the main areas of production and see how it all works. At the beginning, we get raw materials. Without fail, they pass quality control in our laboratory and then are delivered to the warehouse of raw materials and finished products. The total area of warehouse is 1,800 square meters and storage capacity is 2,100 pallet positions. This is a warehouse that provides operation of only first stage of production. Short-term plans call for the construction of another separate warehouse and logistics center. Accounting and placement of goods is provided by WMS system, which allows move the goods inside the warehouse efficiently and at minimum costs. At the moment, one shift of warehouse personnel can provide up to 80 tons of cargo turnover. On completion of loading and confirmation of the loaded quantity of raw materials, the program automatically starts the procedure of bulk materials transportation to the unloading bunker. After paint startup production, the algorithm of production process is displayed on the workstation monitor in the control program PaintCell. According to the algorithm, the operator prepares the necessary quantity of pigments and fillers and loads them into a conveying bunker. After loading and confirmation of the loaded quantity of raw materials, the program automatically starts the procedure for the transportation of bulk components into the unloading bunker. All products manufactured by factory are water dispersible. Therefore, the water is an important element for the production. The water used in the production comes from own well with a depth of more than 130 meters. Before the water gets into production, it shall pass a comprehensive advanced processing at water treatment plant. All the processes of cleaning and filling tanks are automated and controlled by the same program paint cell. Special attention at the factory is paid to the storage of the dispersions and water. Each storage tank is equipped with an aeration system for spraying a biocide solution inside the container. It provides the necessary storage conditions for dispersions and water, preventing their biological contamination. Dispersion and water from storage tanks are supplied to all technological equipment used in the manufacturing process. Dosing is automatic. In addition to the basic components such as water, dispersion, pigments and fillers, functional additives are vital to the production of water dispersible materials. In our production, we use 12 basic additives that are stored in stationary tanks. Complementary to the basic additives, we can use other ones. To this end, the additive unloading station is provided. All operations on the tank filling and dosing of additives are also carried out automatically. The main paint production process takes place in the dissolver. We have 3 of them. 2 are intended for the production of large-capacity batches and enable manufacturing of the paint, filler paste and structural materials of up to 2,000 liters per one batch, and 1 for the small-capacity batches, enabling production of paints, varnishes and primers in the range of 300 to 1,000 liters. However, there is space for the installation of 2 more dissolvers. This is only prospective. Raw materials from all production sites that we saw earlier go into the dissolver according to the algorithm of production. All operations are automatic. The operator only controls the process and, if necessary, makes adjustments. After completion of the dispersing process in dissolver, we get semi-finished product which must be added to the dispersion and the remaining components. The final stage of production takes place at the site of mixers. From dissolver, the semi-finished product is pumped into one of the mixers as defined by the recipe. After pumping transfer, the dispersion and remaining components are added to the semi-finished product in the mixer. All this is mixed, whereafter the product is considered to be almost ready. Only final check in the laboratory and packaging remain. The essence of the paints and varnishes production lies in correct selection and mixing of a number of chemical components. A large quantity of tubes is usually typical for such production. However, when you find yourself at Eskaro factory in Odessa, the first thing that catches your eye is an extremely small number of pipelines. However, therein lies the main idea of the factory. All liquid raw material components, including additives, are dispensed in a single pipeline which connects all of the process equipment, forming the closed-circuit system. Inside this pipeline there are 2 wards which, after dispensing the product in the pipeline, move it to the place of destination. After unloading the product from the pipeline, the cleaning of pipeline starts automatically. Eventually, dosed components in the pipeline do not mix, and after dosing, we always have clean pipeline ready to work. Our unique approach provides both high quality and environmentally friendly manufacturing process. Captions. Laboratory. Control of manufactured product quality is a fixture of modern production, and none of promising production is imaginable without innovations, new developments and improvements of existing formulations and technologies. This important mission is entrusted to the laboratory. It takes an important place in the process of manufacture of paints and varnishes. Here, the quality of incoming raw materials at the beginning and quality of the finished products at the end are checked. Furthermore, upon completion of each production stage, the stage-to-stage control is implemented in the laboratory, according to which results the permission for the next process step is issued. Our laboratory is equipped with modern instruments necessary to determine compliance of quality parameters with the standards valid not only in Ukraine but also international ones. Development of new products, optimization of existing formulations, manufacturing technologies, testing of new raw materials is constantly implemented according to the planned laboratory action plan. Captions. Packaging site. Today, the production facility possesses 3 packaging lines, 2 automatic and 1 semi-automatic. Lines can be controlled by 2 persons. Thereafter, the products go to the warehouse where they are prepared for dispatch. Here at last, the product is obtained and the goal is reached. But wait, there is more. We remember and care about the environment at all stages of production and thereafter. In the course of water dispersible materials production, the large quantity of wash water is generated, which must be somehow used and disposed. All wash water formed during the manufacturing process and suitable for further use is collected in a special tank. The water unsuitable for the production is collected in the IBC containers and fed to the regeneration station, wherein it is evaporated and fed back into the production process. A small quantity of dry residue after generation plant is utilized. Our